Scrum Rivier is well known for the waterfalls, so let's just see what the waterfalls are, or if there actually is proper waterfall. Good start to this hike. I guess the hike starts here. Still no signs of baboons yet, but they are prone and well known to be found in the area. Now we're in the mountainous region, so our view is mountains. If you're in Paul, Stellenbosch region, it can get excruciatingly hot.